Hello, good morning, one and everyone. Statistics part 2, in which we take chapter number 2, random variable and the discrete probability distribution, means binomial probability distribution. For mean and variance of the discrete type of variable, how to determine? Right? Example number 1, find the constant C. Sometimes it is denoted by K and sometimes it is denoted by C. Find out the value constant C for the following probability distribution, discrete type probability distribution, and hence find its mean and variance. Means expected value and variance of the random variable x. Given that probability x equal to C into 4px, where x takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that summation of all probability is equal to 1, means sigma p of xi equal to 1, where I runs from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means p of 0, p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, p of 4 equal to 1. Addition means take x equal to 0, then x equal to 1, then x equal to 2, and add all these probabilities, means C into 4p0 plus C into 4p1 plus C into 4p2 plus C into 4p3 plus C into 4p4 equal to 1. The value 4p0 always 1, 4p1 4, 4p2 means 2 step 4 into 3, 4p3 3 step 4 3 2, 4p4 means 4 factorial 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The simplification is 1, 4, 12, 24, again 24, means 65 times C equal to 1, and therefore constant C, value of capital C, 1 upon 65. This way we have to determine the value of C, constant C. Now, this probability distribution becomes x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And their probability means C is 1 upon 65, means right 4px means 1, 4p0 1 upon 65, 4p1 4 upon 65, 4p2 12 upon 65, 4p3 24 upon 65, 4p4 24 upon 65. Now this is the probability distribution. And we have to determine the average value, means mean. Mean is denoted by notation mu or expected value of x, ex. Right? Mu or ex is given by sigma xi into probability of xi. Means this variable into its probability plus this variable into its probability plus this variable into its probability, and so on. 0 multiplied by 1 upon 65 plus 1 multiplied by 4 upon 65 plus 2 multiplied by 12 upon 65 plus 3 multiplied by 24 upon 65 plus 4 multiplied by 24 upon 65, this way. And add all these, you will get 196 upon 65. It is equal to mu or mean or expected value of random variable x. All this is answer number 1. Now variance. Formula for computing variance. Formula for computing variance. E of x square minus E of x whole square. But E of x square, how to determine E of x square? E of x square means expected value of the random variable x, its square. Sigma xi square into P of xi means we have to make the square of the variable, value of the variable. 0 square into its probability, 1 square into its probability, 2 square into its probability, and so on. 0 square means 0 means 1 by 65, 4 by 65, 12 4s are 48 upon 65, 24 9s are 216 upon 65, and so on. Ultimately, E of x square is 652 upon 65. But this is not variance of x. Variance of x can be determined by Vx, E of x square minus Ex whole square, complete square. This is 652 upon 65 minus 196 upon 65 whole square. If you simplify this, you will get 42,380, 38,460 upon 4225, square of 65. By taking LCM and by simplifying, you will get variance of x as 3964 upon 4225. Call this as answer. Answer number 1, mean, and call this as answer. Answer number 2, its variance. Right? These are the mean and variance of the discrete type of random variable, and next time onwards we are going to take actual example of binomial probability distribution in this chapter. Okay, thank you everyone. See you.